Today, we're going to show you how to make strawberry cream cheese stuffed French toast. I worked for a catering kitchen through high school, and they would charge $30 to $50 per person for their brunches. Most people would just eat the stuffed French toast. Is it worth $30? No, no breakfast food is. But it is good and very easy to make. We're going to start off, just dump in about a half brick of cream cheese. And now if you want to just put in some strawberry jam. Yep, go for it.
This spoon doesn't fit.
Yeah, it does. It's fine. It's plenty.
Oh.
Here, do it over. Do it over. Yeah, you got it.
What did you hold it for?
Here, let's click that in. Yeah.
I didn't even need to click it.
Let's try.
That looks like tomato sauce.
So once you get them mixed together, use a hand mixer or a mixer like this. We're just trying to get it nice and smooth. All right, so we have our strawberry cream cheese now, blend it up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our bread. And our bread has been sitting out for a little bit. It's still not very stale, but it's close. You can also throw it in the oven for a little bit to toast, just to get a little thicker.
Why do you want it stale?
It absorbs better. It's better texture when we actually go to make the French toast.
But then it won't taste good.
Oh no, it will. It still tastes good. We're just gonna smear a thin layer of this on one row of this bread. And just enough for 4. So you're gonna need a little more cream cheese if you're making more. All right. So now what we're gonna do
is put those on it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a sandwich.
Exactly. And this is really all we used to do at the catering place too, is exactly this. Even this type of bread, like nothing is different here at all. Now we're gonna put these aside and we are going to make our batter. To start off with the batter, we're gonna add some eggs to a bowl. We got 2 eggs here, pour them on in.
Oh.
No, it's good. That's
Those
good.
are big eggs.
And we got 3/4 cups of
Milk?
Yep.
Kind of looks like condensed milk now.
And then we're just gonna add a little bit of sugar. I don't know, it just, follow your heart. However sweet you want it. And then some cinnamon.
Ooh, that's a lot of cinnamon.
It's not that bad. And then just a dash of vanilla.
That's not very dash.
And then we're gonna whisk.
This is gonna be so good.
Like so. I mean, like I said, people used to pay $30 per person, and they would mainly just eat this French toast.
At a restaurant.
Well, yeah. And an overpriced brunch. All right, and then if we run the whisk through it, no eggs or anything separate out. Everything seems nice
and smooth.
Mixed. Not seeing anything separated. So that's what we want. Now we go get the pan started. We're gonna put a couple tablespoons of butter in the pan right now on medium heat. We're just gonna let this melt until it starts to get a little bit frothy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip these in the batter. And you wanna just drop them in, flip them over, and get all the excess off. We don't want them dripping. They should just feel heavy, a little dense. We'll do that with the next one. All right, now we're gonna take it. We're just gonna lay it down in the pan into that butter. There we go. We'll just let those get golden brown on one side and then we'll flip them over. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna just flip these. All right, and we'll let it cook for a little bit longer. See what we got here. There we go, so nice and golden brown. So Now what we're gonna do, not a lot of butter in here anymore. Throw in another couple tablespoons of butter. This is not health food. And we put in our last 2 sandwiches. All right. All right, this is what takes this from being $3 to $30, according to catering places. Powdered sugar. If you had some whole strawberries. And for whatever reason, he always stuck a piece of basil in the middle. I have no idea why, but there you go. Strawberry stuffed French toast. Here we are, some maple syrup now.
Real maple syrup.
Real maple syrup. We're not allowed to buy the fake stuff.
I will not allow it.
All right. Here, ready?
No, I know.
Oh, you got it. Yeah, you got it.
Yes, you mean.
I
want more of a cream cheese spot.
This is so much better than what we used to make at the catering place. The strawberry is better than the raspberry was. Honestly, the little bit of vanilla goes a long way too. Like this is really good.
We get really good cream cheese too. Getting better quality cream cheese goes a long way. And I'm sure you bought a big vat of cream cheese, which usually is lower quality.
And despite charging $30 a person, almost every ingredient we used at that place was cheap.
And I bet you use the chemical syrup.
I think we did, yeah. Yeah, we used fake
Most
syrup.
people do use fake syrup.
And the pastries came in a box that we served. Like, the fact people were paying that much money was insane.
It was a high-end catering place. They used to do high-end brunches.
You had a view of a golf course, so that meant you could charge a lot.
I'm eating another bite because I like it.
Yeah? Yeah, what do you think? You think it's good?
You think it looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I knew it was gonna taste better.
Definitely try this.
Yeah. Try this again.
This is very good.